Good day and welcome to your daily news digest. First, we turn to financial news and market analysis. Analysts are projecting significant gains for several large cap stocks on the Bombay Stock Exchange in the coming year. Based on consensus estimates, 8 standout companies that recently reported positive growth are expected to deliver returns between 20 and 35%. These forecasts provide a data-driven benchmark for investors targeting high-potential opportunities in 2026. In commodities, bullion markets are experiencing a major boom. After historic gains in 2025, some analysts predict gold could test $5,000 an ounce and silver could touch $100 an ounce this year. This surge is reportedly driven by central bank buying, robust industrial demand, and geopolitical tensions. Experts advise investors to maintain disciplined allocations and avoid chasing short-term spikes in the precious metals market. On a somber note, the investment community is mourning the loss of veteran fund manager Siddhartha Bhaya, who passed away after a cardiac arrest. Known for his contrarian style and exceptional long-term returns, Bhaya's PMS was the top performer in 2025. Citing market euphoria, he had recently reduced equity exposure and shifted heavily into gold ETFs, a move characteristic of his disciplined, bottom-up investment approach. Turning now to international affairs, the United Nations has condemned recent U.S. military actions in Venezuela. The UN Secretary-General stated that the capture of President Nicolas Maduro and his wife sets a dangerous precedent and called for respect for international law. The UN Human Rights Chief also urged restraint and the protection of civilians in the country. This move by the White House marks a sharp departure from President Trump's previous "Make America Great Again" agenda, which typically avoided foreign entanglements. The decision to commit U.S. troops to Venezuela to enact regime change has raised concerns about the potential for a prolonged military involvement and a possible political backlash domestically ahead of the upcoming midterm elections. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.